excited to be launching our very new own alcohol ink range. If you're looking for all colours of the rainbow but in a pastel shade, then we've got the pigments for you. If you're keen in petri art or using alcohol inks in resin, these are the inks for you. They are acid-free, highly pigmented, quality alcohol inks. The new alcohol inks work great with our coat it resin. Mix it up as normal, a 1:1 ratio. Pour into your chosen mould. If you're looking to create beautiful petri art, then you're going to need to use a mould that is about 1 centimetre deep. That's going to allow for that beautiful fungi petri effect in your work. With so many colours to choose from, the only difficulty you're going to have is which one to pick. We're going to pick these 4 here. We've helped you remember your favourite colours by giving them their own unique cocktail name. To get the very most out of your alcohol inks, it's really important that you give them a little shake. Drop your colours as you wish. At this point you can come in with your white. The white is the heavier alcohol. That's going to push these beautiful colours down. Pop some more. Alternate your colours. You can already see the magic happening. Drop some more white on your new colours. Beautiful high pigmented acid-free colours that are really going to look spectacular in your petri art. Don't forget, you can use these alcohol inks to add into your resin, to tint your resin if you're doing casting projects and mixed media artwork. So there we have it, our all-time very new exciting alcohol ink range with 12 very beautiful colours to choose from plus white. Thank you from Team Resin8.